Look in
Mama,
Look.
I want to show you a picture.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Mom,
I've never seen one of these before.
Oh, look, there's a picture of an owl.
Mom, an owl right there.
Wow. I gotta hurry this up before my battery completely dies because my battery is almost dead.
I like the baby picture.
So, do you have any idea about the specifics on this one? Like, when they're gonna be ready to go, and does it say if they're gonna leave appliances and stuff?
I thought he said that they were relocating, but, or that, or he did a comment that I said it.
Yeah. I'm upstairs. Upstairs.
Want to see the babies?
The purple one?
I don't like it. Like, look at the bed. It's this, like, it goes up and down, up and down.
It's a cute house too, huh? This bedroom's kind of small.
Can I go in the little house?
Yeah, go ahead. But then come right back out.